everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today I'm going to make a Spanish chicken with romesco rice, garlic, zucchini. It's going to be delicious. Let's go through the ingredients. So you'll want some mayonnaise and a lemon mix. I'm using the romesco, and if you're not familiar with that, wow, is this good. This is olive oil, and it has oregano in it, and a few other ingredients which will be listed, by the way. If you click the subscribe button in the lower right hand corner, if you're on a computer or turn up your cell phone, hit that subscribe button now, then you'll see the more button, and when you see the more button, you'll see the ingredients and the list of everything that's in it. So I've already put the water in the rice cooker and started that. So rice can go out of the way. I'm using currants. I love to use raisin currants. They are just so good. Salt, pepper, paprika, and cumin I'm going to grab. I have some chicken that I've sauteed up to get it started. Green onions, zucchini, and garlic. I've already washed these, so they're ready to go. Let's get started with cutting these up. So the zucchini, I'm just going to knock off the end really fast like this. Get this out of my way. And then I'm going to cut the zucchini in half. And after I do that, I can cut long ways like this. This is pretty fast and easy if you'll do it this way. Then you can lay these out and cut them up when you're ready. Let's do it again. Just like that. And as you can see, we're just kind of cutting them up in chunks here. This is a very fast meal. Now let's cut up our onions. I just take the whole bundle here, just kind of line them up. I have so many of them. And I've already washed these, so I'm not real worried about it. I go all the way to the stalks. Anything I see that I don't like, this is a good time to go ahead and pull it out. Go up above the stalk, and then you can cut up a little bit for garnish. Just like that. There we go. Okay, let's pull these out of here. And these go right in there like that. I'll set them off to the side for now. Let's work on our garlic. I'm going to knock the top off the garlic. This is an interesting batch. It's a brown instead of white garlic. You know, it all depends on the strain and where it's from. I'm going to pick like 3 real big ones here. Put the other ones off to the side for next time. Okay, all I have to do, give them a little bit of a smash. Just like that. The outside comes off. Bad spot on here, get rid of that. Spot right there. Okay, garlic is all done. That looks good. We'll set that off to the side until we need it. I'm going to put some olive oil in this pan, turn this on, put the zucchini in here with some salt and pepper. We'll get that going, and then we'll put some of the onions with it as well. Black pepper and salt. Let's get some salt and pepper on this, as well as some of the cuman and paprika. If it was a strong spice, I would put it in my hand where I know I'm safe. I don't put too much in. I don't think this stuff is too strong. Onions, let's get them in here. So I cooked that for about 3 minutes. And now I'm putting the onions in, and we'll let that go for a minute or so. And this should be really good. Smells good. Just put my garlic in this fancy little cutter. If you don't have a cutter, shredder, you can use a garlic press. You can just squish it with your knife. This little thing's kind of neat. Works really fast. You just hit it a few times and it's done. I kind of run it probably longer than you need to, just to make sure that it's really squished. And all we're going to do is just clean it off into the mixing bowl. Just like that. Get this blade out of here. And get the garlic out of here. Then I have a couple of tablespoons of water or so. And the mayonnaise. You know, when you're hungry, even the mayonnaise smells good. And let's use one of our fancy whisks we got last week. You just push it and it spins. We have to go slow with it so it doesn't splash. It's pretty neat. And that's all set for now. Let's go ahead and get this lemon mixing here. It's not a lot, but you know, lemon can be strong. You want to use a half on the lemon. Okay, and now the rice. So for the rice, I need to add in, and I can bring the rice cooker over where you can see it. It's hot. Let's get this romesco sauce in here. This is basically a tomato sauce, but the rest of the ingredients are just awesome. I really like the taste of it because it has olive in it. It's like Hussein sauce in Chinese. You know, I like that olive taste that it has. And the currants, you can't go wrong with raisins. Now I'll just put my lid back on this just to keep the moisture in, even though it's turned off. It turns off automatically when it's done. See, it's in the warm mode now. You can see it has a warm light on. This is hot, but wow, does it smell delicious. I have a pot holder. I like to keep that lid closed for a little bit and just steam those raisins. Softens them up, rehydrates them. Some recipes you soak them in water to rehydrate them. Take a look at that. Wow. Does that look exciting? I know this is going to be really good. And then I just grab some chicken. Chicken on here. And then we have some of our sauce. Sometimes I put this sauce in a squirt bottle, those little ones from the dollar store that you see me using. And then put those on there like that. And looks pretty good. I think we're going to go ahead and say thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. The question of the day is, let us know if you like zucchini. If you like zucchini, hit that thumbs up button and we'll count to see how many people like zucchini. We have about 12,000 views right now. So hit that thumbs up button. Everybody subscribe. Hit the bell if you want to be reminded when more shows come out. And we look forward to seeing everybody soon. Goodbye for now.